subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor launched its new affordable Play series phone in China called Honor Play 40. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 40 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor Play 40 comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, based on Magic OS 7.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.32 by 75.1 by 8.35 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 40 has been priced in China for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,380 Chinese yuan, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage model is priced at 1,580 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8 GB plus 256 GB storage option is priced at 1,780 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Aurora Green, Star Purple, and Sky Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor Play 40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.